Welcome to the Nova Armada channel, and hello to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Air Canada Tango Airbus A320-211, wearing Tango's sole livery during its 3 years of existence, consisting of a purple tail with a light purple maple leaf on it and purple titles over the forward windows. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. This A320 was initially delivered to Canada's Canadian Airlines International from the Airbus factory in Toulouse, France on April 12 of 1991. Powered by two CFM International CFM56 series high bypass turbofans, producing up to 26,500 pounds-force or 118 kilonewtons of full power. At this point in the airliner's history, the aircraft was painted in Canadian Airlines Chevron livery as seen in these photos. While flying for Canadian Airlines, this A320's passenger loads on this type of aircraft can vary from 150 people to 186 people, with a maximum allowed set at 190. At this time, the aircraft was registered as Charlie-Golf Papa Whiskey Golf and has remained so to this day in the middle of 2023. This aircraft would seem to have changed hand many times. However, this is a bit misleading as the initial company is with Canadian Airlines International was merged into Air Canada in April of 2001. By November of 2001, this aircraft had been transferred to Air Canada's low-cost Tango airliner. With this change, the aircraft gained the purple-based livery as seen in these photos. This aircraft flew for Tango for only a couple of years before being transferred back to the mainline Air Canada company. So in 2003, the aircraft returned to the standard Air Canada livery, which at this time was a light turquoise fuselage and a red maple leaf on the tail. With the mainline surface, the aircraft was able to reach further into its range allowance of 3,300 nautical miles or 6,100 kilometers while flying around 447 knots or 829 kilometers an hour. This aircraft would join the Air Canada Jetz charter service in 2010. The only change in livery would be to add the Jetz logo on the lower fuselage underneath the forward windows. Air Canada Jetz has been used during this period of time as a charter airline for all the Canadian NHL teams, with some service to the Toronto Raptors in the NBA and the Toronto Blue Jays in Major League Baseball. As of 2012, the aircraft was returned to normal mainline service with Air Canada. Between 2012 and today in 2023, the aircraft was put into temporary storage in two locations during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. These locations include Kansas City International Airport and Trois-Rivières Airport before being returned to service in April of 2022. As of today, in 2023, the aircraft continues to fly passengers in and around Canada for Air Canada. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Dragon Wings in 2002 and 2003. As can be seen here, there have been 3 production runs of this aircraft in 1/400 scale, 2 by Dragon Wings and 1 in Canadian Airlines livery by Aero Classics. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution around YouTube, which brings in more subscribers that will then repeat the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.